We're in Monte Carlo now. No, I'm sorry, Montenegro. We're on a ferry going to another little town in Montenegro, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful town. I mean, beautiful country. We didn't get to stop from the border. We just came right through. And let's see how the little town looks like. Ciao. Beautiful. Europe is so beautiful. You guys need to come. Whatever you guys can do, you guys just come down. It's beautiful here. The nightlife in Montenegro. Here at the Bikers Bar. Pretty cool bar. It's got a lot of bikes. A lot of bike parts out there. They got a nice chopper too. Had a hell of a dinner. Now got to smoking a stogie. What an incredible vacation. Good morning. My view from my bedroom here at the house in Montenegro. Look at this amazing view. All the bikes. The house is a 3-story house, way up in the mountains. Here at the beach in Monte Carlo with these guys. Is that mine right here?
Oh, that one or this one? I saved one for you.
Thank you, brother. I got my keys, everything in there.
You go shopping at the grocery store?
Yeah.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah. Say something. Something. Yo. There's Drago. Very nice, very nice. And Montenegro, listening to the Eagles. What a beautiful day. There's Art. Mario.
To the place I was before. Good night, said the night man. We programmed to.
That's what happens when you start drinking too much.
You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave.
Woo woo! Woo! All right, guys, it's time to have our barbecue. Look at this view. Wow, amazing. Look at the table by the pool, and there is the barbecue right there. Cooking the barbecue. You see them? Our friends are giving us the best treatment ever. We spent the whole day at the beach and now at home. What an amazing view of the kitchen outside. Oh.
Sit, my friend, sit. Let's give Gus some more.
Another beautiful day here in Montenegro. View of the house.
What kind of wood you guys use for this mat?
Our bikes. Look at this pool.
I don't know what kind of wood is this. Miran, what kind of wood is this?
You see the,
Yes, and
Leftovers.
in the evening, this thing looks amazing view.
You know? Look, fine.
Oh yeah, Javier.
Brian, so
What part of the world are you?
I'm in Montenegro
You're in Montenegro at some little
shopping center.
in the middle of residential area.
Yeah.
Mr. Baldilocks is looking for some soap because he stinks like a mother, like a stinky mother. This place reminds me of a Mexican local store.
Yes, this bridge. And this
Oh, the beach
this
in
wine now this island is rented for 99 years.
99 years.
Yes, from one very rich
Billionaire.
person from India.
Wow.
India.
So that's his whole
And the rich
place.
people from the whole world
Come
coming
in.
here. One night stand start for a person.
Do tri. Ovo je svaka kuća apartman. Znači samo ono gore hotel.
What a amazing
All this
and
house,
beautiful
apartment
views.
houses. And this on the right is a
Morning, babe. It's about 6:30 in the morning here. We're taking off to Bosnia now. Kidding. Yeah. So I'll call you or send you another message when I get there. Okay? Love you. You're probably in a dead sleep. Miss you. Bye. Hey, babe. Just got to the border of Montenegro and Bosnia. Crossing the border right now. Look. Little border. Love you.
Well, you could put it right there in your windshield.
I'll send you a text later on.
Put it in there.